How to change name on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to change your name on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Zangi app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now click on the setting icon which is located at the right bottom of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on your profile. Now tap on edit profile info. Once you click on it, now you can edit your name, write it according to your preference. Once you write it down, now simply tap on done. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change name on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.